This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cheryl Hartley. Location: Pebble Creek Villas, 2-bedroom 2-bath unit with fireplace and screen porch. This unit backs up to tennis courts and community pool. The HOA covers exterior maintenance, pool, clubhouse, and newly resurfaced tennis courts. No pet restrictions. Easy access to all the Northwest Gainesville area shopping and entertainment. Pebble Creek Villas is walking distance to Library, Fresh Market, Publix, and Thornbrook Village. No showings available until December 5th. New photos will be in soon. For more information, review the details below.